Welcome to Case of Accounting in the module to make a cash payment. In this example, we want to pay the electricity bill for $350. Please click on the General Ledger menu and choose Cash Payment. Please click on New. Please choose EDC, and I'm spending it from cash on hand. Please choose an employee that has spent. Please fill in the dates and reference number. At this point, I will spend it on equity account and describe it as EDC, and the amount is $350. At the bottom, let's describe it as electricity bill. Lastly, please click Save. Thank you for watching Case of Accounting.